How to fix bank connection errors in Mint. First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website, then log into your account using your email and password. Then, go to the settings section in the left sidebar. Click on Accounts and select the bank that's showing the error. Then, click Edit Login and re-enter your credentials. This often refreshes the connection and clears temporary glitches. Next, make sure your bank's website isn't down or undergoing maintenance. Open a new tab and log in directly to your bank's website. If you can't log in there, the issue is likely on the bank's end, not Mint's. Another step you can try is removing the bank account from Mint and then re-adding it. To do this, go back to Settings, select the bank, and click Delete. Once removed, return to the Account section and click Add Accounts, then search for your bank and log in again. If the issue is still persists, check if your bank has recently added new security measures like multi-factor authentication or updated login processes. These changes might block Mint from syncing properly. In such cases, you will need to log in through Mint again and complete any verification steps required. Finally, keep Mint updated by clearing your browser's cache and ensuring your internet connection is stable. Sometimes outdated session or cookies can interfere with bank syncing. And that's it. Now you know how to fix bank connection errors in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.